the civil war between Nigeria and Biafra, I was 12 years old to 15 years old. My family were refugees and lived in refugee camps. In July 1969, I was conscripted at gunpoint and forced to become a 14-year-old soldier in the Biafran army. I was sent directly and without military training to the Oguta War Front. Oguta was a 20-hour non-stop walk through a swampy, knee-deep mosquito and alligator-infested waters. The mosquitoes buzzed louder in my ears than a jet fighter. I was more likely to be ambushed by alligators than ambushed by Nigerian soldiers. I arrived at the Oguta War Front a few days after 500 Biafran soldiers fell on the ground and fell as if they were dry leaves. I was conscripted to replace one of the 500 men that died. At Oguta War Front, there were more guns than pens.